Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, happy October the 8th. I am currently right now getting ready to go to the license bureau. I have made a major decision today. I don't know if I told y'all in some other videos, I do have personalized plates and I've had them for years, but the money that you pay, that you spend for the personalized plates, it's like, it used to be like $90. Now it's gone up to like $115. I've never really had a problem paying for it, but our streets here in Ohio are tore up, and that is where like most of your money is supposed to be going for, is not just, well, half of it is like for the personalized plates, and the other half is supposed to be the resurfacing of our streets and stuff like that. It's been so bad, y'all. I'm sorry. I just can't do it anymore. Like, they're really not supporting what I actually signed up for. So today is the day, and it is time for me to get, actually they expire tomorrow, so I'm going now to go and get them. And I know they're probably going to be like, because it's how I always go, they're probably going to be like, oh my gosh, she's not going to get the, no. And if they ask me, I will let them know. But yeah, I've been thinking about it for a long time. Yeah, I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road because the cops, they ain't right around here. They're just not. But I'm almost there. And then two, I am gonna, depending on the time, there's a Goodwill nearby, which I told you I was not shopping, but I had to remember I have a 50% off for my birthday. So maybe I'll go in there and see if I can find me a coffee cup. Because every time I go in this area, I always look for a coffee cup that matches that thing I bought before from there for 99 cents that holds those coffee mugs together. I was missing one, even though I still bought it. So I'm going to see if I can find that. If not, maybe I'll find one thing. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. And then the other place is nearby there, so I'll try to figure it out. So we'll be back. All right, y'all. So I'm here. I got a good spot too. Y'all, it's a car I'm on the side of. There's a little boy, he's like no bigger than MJ in the front seat acting like he's driving, and then there's a little kid in the back. Like, I hope there's no keys in there, but he can see me looking. But anyway, there's the Goodwill, there's the license plates, and then, license plate place, and then, I don't know if y'all can see, back over there is the, one of those bin stores. So I'm gonna try to hopefully see if I can get this to work, and I'll bring you guys along with me. So yeah, this is out my hair today. I did a twist out. Y'all know I told y'all before, like, it don't come out like I wanted to, like the first couple of days, but yeah. And I'll show y'all my outfit a day later. So let me go in here and try to knock this out.
Next year for 33, we're going to next year for 83.
I'm in the Goodwill, so I'm gonna have to turn the camera around and just let y'all see, because they are playing music, okay? Y'all, I'm now in the bin treasures, but there's music playing in here, so I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see what they have. So yeah, guys, none of those places had anything, and like I said, I had to just put you guys on film, and don't let it play with me talking or anything, because they had the music playing. So Goodwill, I didn't get anything. That treasure bins, I didn't find anything. It was just trash. And then, like I said, Goodwill, I was only going to buy something if I seen the matching coffee cup or something that was worth me getting. But I did get my plates, y'all. I got my plates. Y'all, I'm so mad. The plates were, the last time I had regular plates, they were $55. Guys, it was $68, okay? I was pissed. And then they charged me $1.75 extra after I already went to the bank and withdraw $60. I withdraw $60 thinking that was the amount. But when I got up there, but I got out of there really quick. So, yeah. Okay, guys. I will see you all probably a little later. If I do anything else exciting or go anywhere, I'll bring you guys along, okay? This is the last stop. I'm gonna go to Ollies and see if they got anything. I got a 15% off coupon. I'm gonna look for some hold on, y'all. I'm gonna look for some what do you call it, plug-ins or potpourri. I'm gonna look for a few things, and I'm gonna look for some mascara. So I'll see you guys when we get inside. Got Man's Amberwood muscle soap. It smells really good though. I did smell it. It smells good. I got all these glass containers for $2.99, $3.99. All of these. Let's keep looking. I ain't gonna stay in here long, y'all, because they got music playing in here. It's not loud, but they got nice coffee mugs. I'm gonna go look at the see if they got any card stuff. Oh, this is pretty cool. But I'm not getting nothing, y'all. I'm not getting nothing I don't need. I'm only gonna get what I was looking for, okay? Let's continue this. They got more glass containers over here too. Wow. Let's see. Let's keep looking. So guys, I only came in here to see if they had any like floor mats, because it's about to be winter time and they don't have any. I'm over here in the car section, but I did find some stuff. Since you can't have here in Ohio, you don't have to have a license plate in the front. I said I can get this one. I got a few here that I'm looking at, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's just keep on looking, y'all. I'll show y'all when I get home what kind of stuff I get. All right. Bye, y'all. You see all these nice rugs? Oh my gosh. This is beautiful, though. This is beautiful. I like that one. Let's go look at some more, y'all. I like this one. Really pretty. Look at that. Really nice textured. I like this too, y'all, but this is not... Y'all know what I'm talking about. This is like polyester. This is $29. I think that's what it says. Yeah, $29. This is so pretty. But y'all got some stuff in my cart. I'll come back when we get home. I'll show you what I got. All right, guys. So I'm back home. I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all know I went to Ollies. No, I went to License Bureau first. I went to Goodwill because it was next door, and then I went to the bins, and then later on this evening, I went to Ollies. So I'm just going to show you what I got from Ollies, guys. Yeah, I'm super excited a little bit because something that I needed. Y'all know I ain't spending a lot of money, but the first thing I got, Ollies had this raw sugar Simply Hand Soap cold press for $1.99, y'all. So I got this for $1.99. I also picked up They had these, this is Amber and Oud, O-U-D, O-U-D. And they were, y'all, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, I wish I could smell this. It smells so good. So they had these in the amber glasses. And I'm going to keep this because you can refill these, y'all, with some potpourri. But they didn't have potpourri. These were 75 cents. I got this also from Ollies. The license plates that I put in there, I ended up putting them back. But I had to bring one because this one didn't have one in it. But I picked up this one, guys, because it has more of a thicker thing at the bottom. It's more wider and thick. And it's more sturdier. And I'm going to be able to put this one in the back. And then I can always get me letters that say Jeep. But I have seen Jeep stuff there before. But they didn't have any today. I was talking with a guy, too. He was saying how he bought the last Jeep floor mats. I was like, darn it. I could have had those. But better luck next time. But I was able to use my 15% off. So that wasn't bad. So I really only spent like $7 in there, y'all. So I got this one. And I can always get letters from anywhere and put them on here that says Jeep. That's what I wanted. But you only need one license plate now. And I was wondering, y'all, remember how people used to get pulled over by the police because they didn't have a plate in a front license plate and got tickets? I'm wondering now, like, really wondered, would those people be able to ever go back and, like, could they have a lawsuit? Because, like, now they don't even care if you don't have a license plate. Because when I got my plates, y'all only got one plate. Just the one plate. So, yeah. So, I got this. And, guys, I picked up this, it says Love and Nature Checked Out. Y'all, this is vegan. Look how tall this bottle is. This was $1.99. $1.99, okay? It is vegan. It's vegan, cruelty-free. Can y'all see that? It's vegan, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. Yes, this is, I don't have my glasses on. I think it's an 8-ounce bottle. Y'all, and it has a wood top, and it's got the gold top metal. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I smelled this in the store. It kind of smells like this old Woods and O-U-D. Oh my, y'all, this is to die for. This smells so good. So I don't know if y'all, and it leaves like a shine on your hand. Oh my God. Y'all, this smells so freaking good. So good. So I think I'm going to go back maybe this weekend. I'm going to see because I think I might get 2 more of these. I might give one away and keep another one. They only had this one fragrance, but it smells so stinking good, y'all. Oh my God, it smells so good. So guys, that is all I picked up and hauled today. I wasn't lucky at the bins. They didn't have nothing, which I really didn't need nothing. I was only going in there really to look around because I was in that area, and Goodwill had nothing, and I really was only looking for a coffee mug. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video today. Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me for a shot with me. I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget, love yourself so that you be the love of others, so this world can be a much better place. I'll see you next video. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.